Hi, this is Arya. Please subscribe to Talk System.
Now it's okay.
So, how are you doing,
Hello,
ma'am?
everybody. Fine, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Good to see
Thanks.
you again.
Thank you for joining. Yes, yes. So, நீங்க இப்போ சென்னையா இல்ல மும்பைல இருக்கீங்களா? எங்க இருக்கீங்க, மேம்?
மும்பைல இருக்கேன்.
மும்பை. ஓகே. எங்க இருந்தாலும் சேஃப். மும்பைல இருந்தாலும் எங்க இருந்தாலும் சேஃபா
ஆமாமா,
இருங்க.
நீங்க
That is
சேஃபா இருக்கா?
our prayers.
Are you safe? All okay?
மேம், நீங்க எல்லாரும் சேஃபா இருக்கோம். Yes. Yes, yes,
Good,
yes.
good,
My
good.
prayers and Talks of Cinemas our prayers and hearts to you and your family.
Thank
Be
you,
safe,
and-
ma'am.
And I hope everybody on this chat is safe and staying home.
Yes.
And yes, look
Yes.
after your families. Stay home, stay safe.
மேம்,
So-
உங்க ஃபேன்ஸ்
Yes.
நிறைய பேர் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ஹாய் சொல்லிருங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். உங்களுக்கு நீங்க
Hi,
ஸ்பெஷல் நோட்
everybody.
சொல்லிட்டீங்க, ஹாய் சொல்லிருங்க. எஸ்.
Hi, everybody.
சோ
Hi. Sorry.
எஸ் மேம், எஸ். சோ எப்படி மேம் இந்த குவாரண்டைன் டேஸ் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இஸ் இட் கோயிங்? ஹவ் இஸ் இட் கோயிங்? ஹவ் ஆர் யூ மூவிங் வித்?
குவாரண்டைன்ல ரொம்ப பிஸியா இருக்கு. குக்கிங், கிளீனிங், எல்லார் வீட்ல இருக்கு, ஃபேமிலி வீட்ல இருக்கு. So both my sons have to go to school every morning, so we still wake up early, and online school is still on, and everybody's busy.
ஓகே, ஓகே.
How are you spending your quarantine? Tell me.
We are working from home right now. What I actually work. So இந்த மாதிரி தான் we
Yes.
are working.
Everybody has to
Yes,
adjust.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes. So, ma'am, இப்போ வந்த கமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே I think you are going through. So அதுல கேக்குறாங்க இன்னும்
Yes,
how
I'm
is
going
that you are
through.
maintaining the same?
wait. Somebody asked for their name to be said. MH
Yes.
Sheriff. Hema.
Also Hema,
Say hi
Ashwini.
to Hema. Special hi to Hema. And special hi
So-
to MH Sheriffs.
So
Preeti,
how was the
thank
meat
you.
kulambu taste?
Mean Colombo was super. Who is joining my Lila's quarantine challenge? I want to know.
Yes. We all are in. Chatல இருக்க
I want to see. And remember, if you're vegetarian or if fish is not available because we are in quarantine, you can make sambar and tag me on my Lila's quarantine challenge hashtag. I am looking forward to everybody participating.
கண்டிப்பா. சோ சாட்ல இருக்க லைவ்ல பாத்துட்டு இருக்க எல்லாமே கேட்டிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மேம் சொன்ன சேலஞ்ச்ல கண்டிப்பா பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்றோம். மேம் அட்டாக் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க பண்ற சாம்பார்ல மேம் அட்டாக் பண்ணுங்க.
You also participate, huh?
Sure,
Please.
sure, sure.
I
Kandipa,
want to
kandipa,
see
ma'am. I'll
everybody participating. I am following the hashtag and I am waiting for everybody's mean Koramba. Otherwise, you can do sambar.
Sure.
Sambar is also my favorite, so I don't mind anybody does sambar also.
Sure. பட் ரசம்னு ஒரு இன்டர்வியூல சொல்லிருந்தீங்களே.
சாம்பார் ரசம் ரெண்டு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். I actually don't eat non-veg, but I cook non-veg for everybody in my house. So I make sure everybody eats properly. Everything, whatever they like, they get.
மேம், எனக்கு ஒரு क्वेश्चन. அதாவது one of the leading star in the 90s era. You were one of the leading star in the 90s era, and probably you are the one who have acted with most of your co-actors. Yes, heroines கூட நிறைய பேர் கூட பேர் பண்ண one of the heroine நீங்க தான். Like be Simran ma'am இருக்கட்டும், or Jyotika ma'am, Ramba ma'am, or in many movies Sneha ma'am கூட. இப்போ ரீசெண்டா you shared screen with Sneha ma'am in Zee Tamil showல கூட.
Yes.
So எப்படி அது எப்படி இந்த multi star or a second heroine or two heroines concept வந்தாலே they started approaching you, or how did that happen? அது
I like to work with lots of people. I don't think I was never threatened that இப்போ ரெண்டு ஹீரோயின் இருக்கு this இந்த படம்ல ரெண்டு ஹீரோயின் இருக்கு மூணு ஹீரோயின் இருக்கு even for உள்ளம் கேக்குமே Jiva
Pooja
sir
ma'am.
had told me yeah well they were all newcomers at that time. So I never felt threatened because if, and I want to tell everybody, you have to have confidence in your life. Never feel that you are less than anybody. Always have confidence. Hold your head up high and do the best that you can.
So
Then you will never have any problem. And I never felt that somebody is going to be threatening my performance. At the end of the day, my performance has to stand up as it is. So
awesome.
yes.
So லைவ்ல இருக்க எல்லாரும் கேட்டிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். It was not only for Laila ma'am but also நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே she said in a polished way. நம்ம எல்லாருமே அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ண வேண்டியது கண்டிப்பா. ஓகே, so take it in a positive. And எப்படி மேம் நீங்க வந்து you have also mentioned your bio spreading happiness அப்படின்ட்டு உங்களை லைஃப்ல பார்த்த உடனேவே அந்த ஒரு ஹாப்பினஸ் ஃபீல் வந்துருது எல்லாருக்கும்.
Yes. People ask me, why are you always smiling? I say it is, you know, there is a thing. I saw a short film in a film festival. It is a very good thought that if you yawn, if I yawn now, I will make you yawn also. I will make all the fans also yawn. Automatically, if you see somebody yawning,
Yes,
everybody will start
that's
yawning.
true. Yes.
So same thing, if you see somebody smiling, everybody starts smiling. I know lots of people who are very grumpy, very old men who are grumpy, but I'll go and I'll smile at them. It's okay, they're grumpy, but then they turn around and they start smiling also. So that is how spreading happiness is. So
Awesome,
you must
awesome.
always have a smile on your face. You must always spread happiness.
மேம் உங்களோட ஃபேன்ஸ் எல்லாருமே கீழே பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க. சோ அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு இது ஃப்ரம் உன்னை நினைத்து மூவி. Yes.
Lots of people are asking me to say their name.
Yes.
Karthik Dinesh, hi.
Hi Karthik.
Arun Vivek, thank you. You're my biggest fan. Vimal Kumar, hi. I
They
like
want-
this.
They want to உங்க வாயில இருந்து அவங்க பேர் கேட்கணும்ட்டு they are feeling so happy. Yes.
Yes, but ask me questions. No, not only say your name.
அவங்க
Ask.
வந்து தளபதி பத்தி they wanted to know because you shared an experience with
I didn't see the question.
Talapati Vijay with
Yes.
for some time shooting for Unnai Ninithu. So how was that experience? How was the Talapati Vijay?
Talapati Vijay, every time I see him, I tell him, this is very bad. You escaped from my circle. Otherwise, I've acted with everybody. You escaped. So I told him we have to work somehow, sometime. Even in the future, it's okay.
Ma'am, apart from the heroines with whom you collaborate, நீங்க வந்து காமெடியன்ஸ் கூடயும் you have a very great screen presence. Be it விவேக் சாரா இருக்கட்டும், வடிவேலு சாரா இருக்கட்டும், இல்ல நம்ம கருணா சன்னாவா இருக்கட்டும், எப்படி அது காமெடி சென்ஸும் உங்களுக்கு காமிக் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் கூடயும் நீங்க எப்படி அவ்வளவு ஜெல் ஆயிடுறீங்க?
As I told you, I enjoy working. I love to do comedy. So, and again, making people laugh, not only on screen, off screen also. And I like everybody laughing and having fun when they're near me.
Superb. Ma'am, Vimal Kumar has asked a question. What good you learned
Yes.
from Corona, or what you want to tell to society?
What have I learned from coronavirus?
Yes.
I have learned a lot from coronavirus, especially quarantine, is that you should respect your environment. You should respect how everybody's staying at home, and everywhere animals are coming out, and people don't respect animal space, and they don't respect forests, they don't respect our oceans. So please don't use plastic, don't use chemicals that go into our environment and spoil things, spoil our environment, spoil nature, kill animals. Learn this from coronavirus and stay home. But stay home to keep safe now. But once we are out, please respect your environment and save the earth. Because I myself, I personally, in my society and everywhere, I have made everybody compost. We're a completely green society only because of me. All our wet waste we recycle, and my garden is very green downstairs because we recycle. And the BMC, which is our municipality, has come and they have personally congratulated us because we have saved so much. I can tell you, in 1 year we have reduced 4 full big size garbage trucks off the street. Only my society. Imagine if the full street does it, how many trucks will there be less on the road?
True.
So please, everybody, educate yourselves. You all are sitting with nothing to do, you all say. Go online, check out, if you do not use plastic, what are the consequences? How you can always protect our environment, save our earth.
So, ma'am, Adityanda Prabhu ketirukkaru, who is your inspiration?
Yeah. Who's my inspiration? I have lots of people who inspire me. There is not just one person. I think in different fields, lots of people inspire me. I think in cinema, actually, I think a lot of directors inspire me, and I'm not as influenced as with artists than I am with directors. All the directors that I've worked with so far have been my inspiration and my driving force. At home, my children inspire me. I get inspired to be a better person, to educate myself and teach them things. So in different places, it's different people who inspire me.
Awesome. So when we expect your comeback in movies? Touchwood Media has joined and asked your question.
Okay, first let's finish with coronavirus and then we'll see. Yes. Right now, Tamil industry is shut, yes. And once we get back on board.
Yes. Ma'am, you are fitness enthusiast. Fitness.
Yes.
So
yes.
How much time do you spend fitness? At
least 1 hour a day.
At least 1 hour a day complete.
At least 1 hour.
So இப்போ குவாரண்டைன்ல இருக்கிற மக்களுக்கு ஃபிட்னஸ் என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படினு நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
So in my house I have like a mini gym. So I do a lot of skipping and I do lots of body weight exercises, push-ups, pull-ups, lots of core exercises, and yeah. And if you don't have a mini gym in your house and you have no excuse, you can run on the staircase outside.
Okay. Super ma'am. So ma'am, இப்போ last day rumors-லாம் வந்தது, நீங்க Big Boss அப்படிங்கற அந்த reality show-ல
Big Boss. That is, I have even confirmed it on my page that Big Boss.
Yeah, that was a rumor.
But yes. Right now, that was a rumor. But right now, we are all in Big Boss.
Absolutely true. Right now, the country is in Big Boss.
No, whole country is in Big Boss, and we are all live with Big Boss.
Super. Ma'am, any ideas to act in serials? Daily soaps la act pandradhukku idea irka?
No, I don't have any idea to act in soaps or serials right now. I've been offered many, but I haven't accepted anything yet.
ஓகே ஸோ எஸ் மேம். அப்புறமா நிறைய பேர் கேட்கறது வந்து இது தல அஜித் கூட நீங்க தீனால ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணீங்க. ஸோ அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்.
Wait, there is one love story going on in the comments also.
many love stories.
Many love stories. Vimal Nandini.
Yes.
See, Vimal Kumar 7. His girlfriend is Nandini. Are give me your. I want to hear love stories. Please tell me, everybody, what is your love story?
So,
Vimal Nandini, I want to hear your love story.
My name and my girl's name is Vimal Nandini.
And my
Yes.
girl's name. But
So,
tell me your
Vimal-
love story.
Vimal, unga
Amma
love
Appa is
story.
okay, huh? Amma Appa says okay to your love story.
No.
No, Amma Appa is not okay with love story.
Yes. From your movies, yes, ma'am. So from your movies, which one role you feel you played at your best? So question raised by question raised by Madan Prasi.
Madan, nice question, Madan. Thank you for a nice question. I love nice questions. Okay, so no, still father is not getting convinced, huh? Vimal said. Pavam. Ade, don't
Vimal
worry. Tell him, இப்போ quarantine la irukku, just say yes.
This is a good time, Vimal. Please say to your father.
Vimal, this is a very good time, huh? Please, just say yes. Tell Appa, if
Convince
Laila
my
Lee.
father.
your father, Laila said yes to please watch my films. Lusapani.
Lusapani, the dialogue is a fantastic and famous dialogue everybody uses, ma'am. அத வந்து கண்டிப்பா நீங்க சொல்லணும்னு they have said. Yes. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து the other one, the template உங்க இன்ஸ்டா பேஜ்ல கூட நீங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களே, the trainல நடக்கிற the sequence template. That is a viral template everyone uses. Every meme creator uses that template.
I know.
From Pitamagan. Yes.
So,
Ma'am, அப்புறம் வந்து
yes.
நீங்க
Which was the role I played?
You being yes. that
Somebody
question
had
is
asked,
pending, yes.
one thing, what should the age difference be? Vimal is asking between boy and girl. Vimal, younger than you also.
So he's அவர் வந்து உங்ககிட்ட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கேக்குறாரு, how to convince my
Experience.
father.
No problem if she's younger or older, no problem. Somebody else give me
Yes.
their life story and their love story. I want to know love stories. In this time of quarantine.
US Mahesh, what do you think about Chandrayaan 2?
Of what? Chandrayaan
Again,
2.
What do you
Are
think about
power that
Chandrayaan 2?
Chandrayaan 2, yeah. I was feeling very sad. I was very sad when Chandrayaan 2. Energy. Very sad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Any
So,
other
ma'am,
questions?
இப்போ-
I want some nice questions. Huh.
Yes. So 90s kids ஓட one of the favorite heroine நீங்க தான். Plus அந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ல அந்த காலகட்டத்துல வந்து you were not got caught in any of this controversies. So அதை நீங்க எப்படி நீங்க மேனேஜ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்க? அந்த கான்ட்ரோவர்சில எல்லாம் சிக்காம how did you travel?
I don't know. I don't know. I never used to get into any controversies anytime.
அதுதான். So how did you manage அந்த மாதிரி எப்படி உங்களை நீங்களே how did you make that path?
I don't know. It just never happened. I never used to talk to anybody about controversial subjects.
Super.
I just, just be happy and do your work, and that's all. Touchwood Media is asking dance experience with Prabhudeva Master.
Yes.
Oh my God.
அள்ளித்தந்த வானம். Yes. தோம்
And
புதிதும். Awesome dance performance by you, ma'am. அதுல அவர் western, நீங்க classical. It was absolutely splendid.
Thank you. Prabhudeva Master said that everybody seen him dancing. Now it is time for everybody to see me dancing. So
Okay.
he said, you take the lead. So Prabhudeva Master is number one excellent choreographer, excellent teacher, fantastic dance master. And he is the perfectionist. He will make sure everybody is perfect. So working with him is an amazing experience.
Super. So woman centric movies ஏதாவது நீங்க மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? உங்களுக்கு வந்த ரோல் ஏதாவது மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களான்னு ஒரு क्वेश्चन கேட்டிருந்தாரு.
Yeah, maybe in future. I hope so.
Super. May all the woman centric moviesலாம் உங்களுக்கு வரணும். நிறைய ஸ்கிரிப்ட்ஸ் நீங்க நடிக்கணும், திரும்ப தமிழ் சினிமாவுக்கு வரணும்னு we also wish ma'am. மேம் அப்புறம் வந்து ஒரு क्वेश्चन. சோ இப்போ இனிமேல் இந்த ரியாலிட்டி ஷோஸ் ஜீ தமிழ் கண்டக்ட் பண்றாங்க, அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்க உங்களை பார்க்கலாமா நாங்க திரும்ப?
Sorry.
ஜீ தமிழ்ல டான்ஸ் ஜோடி டான்ஸ் ஷோ செகண்ட் சீசன் நெக்ஸ்ட் சீசன்லயும் உங்களை பார்க்க முடியுமா?
No, I have done one season. For now, I am not going to do any more dance.
Okay.
So,
இனிமேல் அப்போ உங்களை பார்க்க முடியாதா? தமிழ்நாடு அப்புறமா ரொம்ப ஏங்குவாங்க மேடம்.
Tamil Nadu can see me on Instagram every time.
Super. So be active on Instagram to watch Laila ma'am exclusive.
And everybody on this chat has to join my Laila's quarantine challenge. Please remember, everybody, I want to see your sambar. I want to see your mean curry. Okay.
Yes, kandipa. Everybody in this live will join your hashtag challenge.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
வந்து being this அதாவது ரொம்ப ஜோவியலா ஜாலியா இருக்கிற உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு டஃபஸ்ட் ஒரு ஸ்கிரீன் பிளே, அதாவது ஒரு சீன் சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா how do you handle that? டைரக்டருக்கு நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைரக்டரை எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்றீங்க? அவர் உங்ககிட்ட சொல்லும் போதே நீங்க இது பண்ணுவீங்களா, இல்ல அதை எப்படி நீங்க சீன்ல கேமரா முன்னாடி எப்படி கொண்டு வரீங்க? அந்த இவ்வளவு ஜோவியலான ஒரு பர்சனா இருந்துட்டு பிதாமகன்ல சூர்யா சார் அந்த சீன்.
So I like difficult scenes. It is more interesting to do difficult scenes than regular scenes. A regular scene where you just do regular thing, it's okay. But to do a difficult shot or a difficult scene is more interesting, I feel.
So அப்போ வேலைன்னு வந்துட்டா நீங்க வெள்ளக்கார மாதிரி தான். சோ வேலைனா வெள்ளக்காரன், வேலையில கரெக்டா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு. சூப்பர். So ஏன்னா I was having this doubt, எப்படின்னா நீங்க இவ்வளவு ஜாலியா இருக்கீங்க, ஒரு சின்ன இது கூட நீங்க அவ்வளவு சிரிச்சு இது பண்றீங்களே, உங்ககிட்ட இந்த சீனை எப்படி டைரக்டர் கன்வே பண்ணிருப்பாரு அப்படின்ட்டு I having this doubt always.
So in Parthen Rasitan, the editor came to me because there was some scenes where I had to cry. So I was laughing, and the director Charan sir, he just said action. He just said camera, and camera's rolling. Then he's like action, and I'm still laughing, and I'm supposed to be crying. So suddenly I started crying. I'm laughing, and then suddenly I started crying. And when he said cut, again I started laughing. Because I started shouting at him and said, you don't even let me stop laughing. And then he's like, but you don't stop laughing. So I had to start the camera. So the editor came to me. He's like, "Ma, please give me some place to cut because you're laughing, then you're crying, and then you're laughing again. I don't know where to cut." So,
Awesome, ma'am. Awesome. So nowadays we all miss Jyotika, Laila, Meena movies and all. Yes, கண்டிப்பா நாங்க உங்களை மிஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கோம். மாயா சுப்ரமணியம் has commented. Nowadays we because 90s kids ஓட இந்த மூணு பேர் தான் வந்து சிம்ரன் மேம், நீங்க, ஜோதிகா மேம், மீனா மேம் தான் வந்து ஆர் ஹீரோயின்ஸ். ஸோ உங்களை எல்லாருமே வி மிஸ் ஆன் ஸ்கிரீன். அது கூடிய சீக்கிரம் யூ ஆல் கம் பேக். அதுதான் வி ஆல் விஷ் 90s kids ஓட விஷ்.
with all your blessings, I will come back.
Yes, superb, ma'am, superb.
Yes?
We are waiting.
See, I will not. See, I have been offered lots of films, but I am not. I'm not satisfied with any of the scripts so far. So when I get a film that I am satisfied with, I think you'll all know that I do only very, very good films and very good scripts.
Yes.
So when something does work out, everybody will get to know.
DD.
Sorry, the network is breaking. I can't hear you.
Yes, can you hear ma'am now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
So தில் படத்துல நீங்க அந்த ஃபேமஸான ஒரு அந்த கண்ணு இப்படி அந்த சீன் பண்ணி காமிக்கணும்னு சொல்லி everybody. So guys, எல்லாரும் பாத்துட்டீங்களா? Everybody all see this.
Lots of love to everybody.
Thank you,
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to participate in my Laila's Quarantine Challenge.
Sure. We'll
Everybody?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
also?
Everybody. Yes, definitely. I'll also
Okay.
join. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I want you all to post all your pictures of food and tell me how you cooked it. Give recipes also. I will read your recipes and I will make in my house also.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. It's absolutely thank you for joining Dubs of Cinemas live. Thank you. It was splendid spending time with you. நீங்க கண்டிப்பா உண்மையிலேயே நீங்க போடுற மாதிரி you spread happiness everywhere. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Everybody, stay safe, stay home, be happy, and join my challenge.
Yes.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
everybody. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for your time.
Bye.
Thank you.